Sericulture and silk weaving had been established in the Yellow River and Yangtze River areas of China thousands of years before Christ. Production of silk started in China between perhaps 5000 and 3000 BC. This great Chinese invention began with the ingenious discovery of reeling silk threads of wild silkworm cocoons, followed by the conscientious domestication of silkworms. Although Chinese silk was discovered in Europe as early as 500 BC, well-recorded trading only started in the Han Dynasty 202 BC to the long existing private silk trade saw its first boom when the western frontier came under the control of a single central consolidated power, the Western Han Dynasty 202 BC to 220 AD. The first record through canvas from China arrived in Persia around 106 BC, and thereafter the trans-Asian silk trade was regularized. The road started out from the capital city of China, Chang'an, now it is called Xi'an, and crossed into the newly acquired northwest frontier of China. Beyond the sphere of Chinese influence, the route continued on westward through the elaborate trading networks of the other major Eurasian civilization zones under the control of Kushans in Central Asia, the Parthians in Persia, and the Rome Empire in Europe. The establishment of powerful Tang dynasty in China 618 AD to 960 AD, which was to see the peak of classical Chinese civilization. Here led the second phase of the overland silk trade. The eastward surge of the Islamic power in the 7th and 8th centuries led to its military showdown with the Tang military stationed in China's western frontier in 751 AD. The victory of the Muslims over China on the Talas River in northern Turkestan was a major turning point for the history of the overland silk trade. This and the gradual internal weakening of the Tang government led to the partial closing of the overland silk road to China from almost 400 years until the era of the Mongolia Empire. By the time of Sung dynasty, that is 960 AD to 1279 AD, the most productive silk centers found their home in the lower Yangtze River delta, far away from Xi'an, the starting point of the old Silk Road. This location shift led to the increasing use of the sea route for silk exchange. The other significant event, however, was that through the capture of Chinese prisoners in the Talas River, many of whom were skilled technicians, the Arabs obtained access to the rich technological knowledge base of China.